Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would love to show you a new design, Armenian Needlelace. So we're gonna start. This one I called it Flowers in the Mountains, in the Hills. I don't have a design, but I'm gonna show you the picture. All right, we'll start. All right, this is the design that I drew it. I'm gonna show you. This is what we're gonna do. All right, now we're gonna start. First, of course, you do your, after your designs, whatever you design you do, on top. First, this will be on a little design first, on a first seeds, on a little seeds, and then we will start. Let's get couple seeds, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do one big seeds over here, like a little loose. Well, let me make it a little bigger for you so you can see it easy. So we will jump one seed. Actually, we did the seeds over here. Then we're going to jump one, we will leave, and we go on the second one. It will be a little bigger. Then we will do once, let me see if you can see. Let me fix the camera. There you go. My hands move while I work. Then you go to the next. You do a small one, like normal. And then you leave one seeds. You jump to the next. Here it is. Then you do next to it. Make sure you tighten up nice. You hold it and tighten it up nice. You do small one. Then you jump to the next. Then you go to the small one. To the next seed, you do small one. And then you leave one, you jump to the next. All right, I don't want it to take too long time, so I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna show you. Let's make one more time. Here you make small one, small seeds, and then you do big, a little bit bridge like this. Now I'm gonna cut this because I don't want to go round and round, of course. And what I'm showing you on handkerchief, because I can cut it and start, we will pretend that we went around circle. All right, or whatever, however you're gonna work. Now, we're gonna go back to the small one, we'll start. And we're gonna put, oops, let's say we arrive here, we turn around and we arrived here. We're gonna make 3 little flowers. That's one. Petals, I should say. This is in Armenia, there is so much fields over there that they have all kind of variety of flower. Poppies and red poppies, all kind of, I don't know the names, but I will say there is plenty. So when we go over here, now we're gonna jump to the next, over here. Am I too far away? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, we keep the big one, we go to the small one. While I'm working, my hands is moving and going away. I have to watch sometimes the camera, so I don't have to make sure that you can see it. I'm sorry. All right, there's one. Anyway, you didn't miss anything, so I'm doing the same thing. That's 2. And that's 3. 3 flower petal. We jump to the next. Again, we do 3 petals. That's one. You just have to make sure that the petals are all even. You don't have to make it big, small, small, big. Make sure that They are even, so they will look nice and neat. All right, now we're going to jump here to the little, we keep the big space, we go to the small seeds, and we will make again 3 petals. 1, 2, and 3. All right. See, it became small, so you put your needle, you pull it, then you fix it, you hold it with your nail, the finger will help you, and tighten it up. Then you jump, of course, to the next, and this is the way you do. Now, I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna go to the front again, and we're gonna do this. Now, over here, I don't have any seeds, anything, but I have to, let's say from here, we came to here. Let's put this away. Because I started with the seeds over here, there's no place for me to start. I will start it from, pretend I'm jumping from here to here. So what do? We just have to make a small seed here on top. You're going to understand, you're not going to miss nothing. You're going to make small seeds. And then you're going to jump to the next. And you keep this bigger over here. And then you will make a small seed here between them. And then you're going to jump to the next. You make small seed here. Now this is a thicker thread. This is a thicker thread. This is a big thread, so it's kind of doesn't look that neat, but it's beautiful. With a white thread, it looks really much prettier. And while my hands are moving, you're not missing anything. I will repeating the same thing. So from here, I jump to the big space, and I made it another seeds. There you go. And from here, pretend there is another one, so we will jump next to it. All right, we're gonna cut this now, and we're gonna go back, and we will start with 3 seeds again, 3 petals again. All right, let's pull this back out. We will go to the small seed, and we're going to make it 3 petals again. That's 1. That's 2. We put in, the thread always stays on top, the behind one goes around, and I'm sure whoever watched it, they already know it. And then we will jump next to it. Let me see if we have to. Yes, we're gonna jump next to it, and we're gonna make 3 petals here. That's 1. That's 2. And this is 3. We're going to jump to the small one. And do it another design, another petals. All right, and then we will jump to the next. and we do another 3 petal on top. That's 1. This is 2. And this is 3. And then you will jump again. Let's say we're continuing. We have a space. We will go to the end and we'll do this. So this is different design for you. And then you go back again and then you start to do the same thing with the little. Let me show you one more time here. It's almost my thread are finished. Again, let's say we are here, from the beginning, we are jumping to here. When we go around and around, and what we do is, we make it again, small seeds for putting the petals. Then we will jump here. And we will make a small seed. So we have to put the petals again. Then we jump here and we will put the petals right there. There you go. So this is another design for you. And then we jump here. And we will put another seeds right there. So this is design it's gonna show you. This is very, very pretty design. You do this on top of each other and it will look very beautiful. So the flower will be one here, one there, like, you know, between it goes like a zigzag. So this is another design for you. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you can succeed. It's very beautiful. I wish that I could go round and round, but it's going to take so much time. That's why I put in a handkerchief to make it just really smaller one. All right. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.